Been sitting in there for years, still the same black Bugatti. If you want it, take it today. If that black Type 57 Atlantic is complete, I'm buying it right now and bringing it straight to the workshop. I've been looking for one of these for years. This is it. What do you think? It's a miracle. It's real, a 1936 Bugatti Type 57 Atlantic in its original factory black. I know, it's beautiful, but it's gonna be a lot of work. We can do it. Let's make this deal happen.
All right, that's the final stack. Agreed. The Bugatti is yours.
All right, slowly does it. Ease her out.
Watching the cable.
A lot of dust there. All right, cable's tight. Looks good. Keep it slow. Just a little further. Okay, stop. That's it.
Hi, I'm Scott. Welcome to SK Restoration, where we bring automotive legends back to life. Today, we're starting on something really special. Notice the ripples of age here along the fender and the rust bloom starting at the lower edges.
All right, let's get this wheel off. We'll start with the center lock. There we go, it's loose. Heavy thing, isn't it?
The front right is off. Take a close look at that hub and brake assembly. Pure, untouched 1936 engineering right there.
The Bugatti's wheels are off, revealing the intricate engineering of the hubs and brakes. It's a true masterpiece, even in disassembly.
All right, let's get into this door. You can see the original backing here, and these clips need to be handled with care. All right, easy does it. Careful with the leather. Looks like it's seen better days. Looks good. On the bench, you can really see the years of neglect here. Look at this corrosion beneath the carpet. All right, bezel is loose. Carefully now. There, got it. Next is the switch. Test it. It's stiff. Steering wheel is out. Perfect. Onto the column. Okay, here we go. It's really brittle.
Just take your time.
I am. We don't want to damage this.
The side glass has been removed, exposing the cabin. The silhouette's much sharper now. We can trace the empty frames and appreciate the craftsmanship.
The removal reveals just how much history is trapped in the cowl. Years of grime and the original sealant are still here.
The heart of this restoration is revealing the raw state of this Type 57. Look at the grime on these intake tubes. The front fenders are unbolted. That heavy period metal is coming off. Perfect. Set it gently beside the car. All right, rear fenders removed. It gives you a real perspective on the chassis now. Welcome to the restoration of this 1936 Bugatti Type 57 Atlantic. Today we are looking at the delicate grille and trim separation. You see the oxidation on the manifold here? It's a miracle it even ran. All right, fuel line first. Careful not to damage the old seals. Right, and mind the wiring. It's brittle.
All right, nice and slow. Keep it steady. We don't want any scrapes.
All right, so here we have the 1936 Bugatti Type 57 Atlantic. It's factory black, and as you can see, the engine is completely out of... All right, let's get this section loose. There we go, coming off now. Heavy piece, let's set this down over here.
All right, time to pull the suspension components. We need to label every part exactly as it comes off. All right, time to tackle the heart of the car.
This old tank's got to come out. We've stripped it down to the bare bones, revealing the original factory black. Every part you see here has its place, ready for the next phase of restoration. The teardown is complete. Every part, every bolt, every original factory piece is here. Now, the real work begins. All right, first pass on the Bugatti, getting that thick grime off. Look at that, just pouring off. We got a long way to go. All right, time for the deep cleaning. Let's see how much of this dirt we can get off. All right, time to tackle the grime on the Type 57. Let's start with the door apertures. All right, time to get this Type 57 clean. Watch this grease peel off. All right, time to get this Type 50 clean. Watch this grease peel off.
The heart of the Type 57. Slowly, carefully, we reveal what's beneath. You can already see the quality of the machining emerging. All right, Bugatti, time for your deep cleaning. The foam will do the work now. Watch this.
The Bugatti's dashboard pieces require the utmost care.
Yeah.
We need to lift the grime, but keep that original patina.
All right, time for the trunk. This ought to tell us a lot.
Wow.
That's some old black metal. Look at that oxidation.
Wow.
The seams are draining now. Almost done. Excellent. The foam is really doing its job on these rear curves. All right, these panels need a deep dive. Check the seams.
Getting the louvers now.
Careful around the rust, keep the paint intact. All right, working on the firewall now, getting into these tight corners with the stiff brush. Got to be thorough. Watch the runoff. This original finish shows everything. All right, let's get into this heavy stuff. Years of grease buildup.
Yeah.
We need to soften it up first. All right, time to tackle this Bugatti fuel tank. This old oil and dirt layer has to come off, but we need to be careful with the corrosion and original paint. Price dose.
All right, time for the deep cleaning. We're removing decades of grime, revealing the true condition underneath.
Look at that original stitching.
Getting into those fine roof channels is critical, blasting out years of embedded dirt first. Now, we apply some water to
The Bugatti is showing clear progress. We are not looking for a polished look just yet, but the grime is starting to yield.
All right, got to get every last drop out of these corners.
The heart of the Type 57 Atlantic is here, in these unrestored, cleaned-only components, awaiting their transformation. You can see where we've removed the layers, but the chassis still needs intensive work. The cleaning phase is complete. Every surface is now readable, confirming a clean handoff into restoration.
Before the repair begins, we must inspect the full-size 1936 Bugatti Type 57 Atlantic. The harsh lighting reveals... All right, time to tackle these fenders. Just got to get past this oxidized layer to reveal the original black. Precision grinding on the lower seams of the Bugatti. Look at those sparks. Focusing on contour preservation. Beautiful, absolutely beautiful.
The rear curve is critical to the Atlantic silhouette. We'll tap this imperfection to restore the flow.
Each panel is sanded, inspected, and corrected with precision, ensuring original geometry is preserved. You have to get the lines perfect before anything goes on. The Atlantic is all about flow.
At SK Restoration, we're dedicated to bringing history back to life.
Welcome back to SK Restoration. Today, we're diving deep into the intricate preparation phase of this incredible 1936 Bugatti Type 57 Atlantic.
The Type 57 cylinder head is fully stripped and cleaned. We're looking at the wear patterns on the valve seats, identifying what needs correction. Welcome to the mechanical phase of the Bugatti Atlantic restoration. We've got the engine block here, stripped to fresh metal, every surface, the heart of the Type 57. Every part rebuilt with factory precision. It's the attention to these small details that makes the difference. All right, torque to 25 foot-pounds. Gasket is prepped. Good, now the head. Easy does it.
The heart of the Type 57, ready for assembly. Perfectly restored. Let's get it back together. Just like new.
All right, the guide coat is applied. Now, for the wet sand to reveal these original lines.
All right, Bugatti, it's time.
At this stage, doors and panels are sprayed separately to ensure absolute color continuity with the main shell.
The black is perfect, curing nicely. The Bugatti is out of the curing booth, and we're starting the polish prep. We use raking light to see the sanding patterns and ensure. All right, looking good. Just need to hit this curve here.
Okay.
Yeah, that's got it. Nice and deep.
After months of hard work, the Bugatti's chassis is finally done. Look at this finish, period correct. It's perfect. Incredible work.
All right, let's get this lined up. Careful with the paint, almost there. Got it, now for the bolt. Secure. Next.
This is it, the heart of the Type 57 Atlantic, restored to absolute factory perfection. Every detail, period correct, ready to bring it back to life.
With this engine finally back in the car, we're one step closer to bringing this beauty back to life. Nice and steady, we got it. Perfect, that's it. All right, perfect alignment. Lock it down.
Lock it down.
Just right. Tighten the rear here. Done.
In the body and mechanical phase, the Bugatti's cooling and fuel systems are meticulously restored to factory specifications.
The exhaust system, perfectly reinstalled, Look at that fresh metal finish.
The precision is incredible.
All right, bead seated, airing it up now. Perfect, ready for reassembly.
All right, perfect fit. The edges are clean, insulation is secure. Moving on to the passenger side. Precision is key here. We're reestablishing the original cabin architecture. And now the frames go back home. Welcome back. Today we're installing the custom leather seats in the Bugatti Atlantic. These are fully restored, premium quality, ready for their new home. Now the interior is complete. The dashboard is the heart of the car. It's about bringing back the precision, the feel, the authentic experience. Perfect. It's locked in place. The driver's connection is complete. All right, seals are compressing perfectly. Looking good. Ready for the trim. Just need to check the alignment here. She's sharpening up nicely. Line it up perfectly. Watch the clearance on the hinge. Good. Now press down slowly. Verified. The gap is tight. All right, time for the finishing touch. Steady now. Perfect fit, just needs tightening. All right, alignment looks perfect. Let's start bolting her down. Got it, slow and steady. Perfect alignment. The clarity on these lenses is stunning. Looks factory new. Just need to torque these down properly, then we're golden.
All right, wiring's in. Just need to secure the lens now. Perfect fit.
Test it.
And there we go, functioning beautifully.
Perfect fit. Just need to secure the trim.
Beautiful.
The Bugatti emblem. The final touch of authenticity.
It brings the whole restoration to life.
All right, time to put the wheels back on.
Finally, it sits proud again. All right, here we go. And set. Beautiful.
The dashboard is immaculate. Look at that reflection on the door glass. Absolutely perfect. The Bugatti's engine bay is finally complete. We've gone through the full reassembly, checking every detail, and we have liftoff. Oh yeah, that's the sound of history. The Type 57 Atlantic, finally complete. Every detail, just as it was in 1936. Ready for the road. The Type 57 Atlantic, side profile perfection. It's truly a masterpiece of engineering and art.
After all this time, she's finally ready. Perfect.
Amazing work, John.
All right, here we go.
Looks perfect.
She runs beautifully. The restoration is complete.
After all this time, she runs perfectly. Without you, sir. We did it together.
If you want to see more forgotten legends brought back exactly like this black 1936 Bugatti Type Atlantic, stay with me for the next restoration. Subscribe and come back for the next abandoned masterpiece, because this original black 1936 Bugatti Type 57 Atlantic is only the beginning.